Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. Today I'm going to take you into my bathroom and we're going to declutter under my sink. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we had a little bit of a leak going on one of the pipe underneath, and John decided to change that out for me. So what he did is he took everything out and he changed out the pipe and then he just threw everything back. I told him that just to do that, make it easy, I would go through and organize everything. So I have a complete disaster zone going on in there, but also it was the perfect time for me to go through and get some stuff done. I mean, there was some stuff under there that I'd forgotten all about. I'd had a couple of storage containers, but everything just got kind of tossed out. You know, it wasn't a very organized system to begin with. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys in there and we're gonna go through and get that decluttered. My mouthwash, I have, what I wanna do is get my my linen closet organized, and I'll be able to put some of this stuff there. So I do have my coconut micellar water, peroxide, oops.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
oh, and here's the back of my makeup mirror. I knew I would find it. Yay! That's on there now. So John just repaired a leak in here, and he was in here. He just, yeah. He repaired this whole thing up here. I don't know if you guys can see thing there, that thingy. This, he replaced that, and he pulled everything out of here and he replaced this, and then he put everything back in. And I've got this little shelf here I'm going to take out, and I'll probably put that back in a minute. And I'm just going to throw this whole basket away. It's got all kinds of purple stuff on the bottom, and you can see this whole thing is cracked all the way through. And I'm sure I've had this forever. Just tossing it. There's not a lot I can really do with this other than just put some paper, some shelf lining in there, possibly paint it with white chalk paint or something. But I'm not going to do that today. I just wanted to get it decluttered. I have this shelf unit that I had in my other room when I was making my little makeup room. And I'm going to put this here. And this is my little wicker. It's a very sturdy wicker basket. It's actually got wire. It's very sturdy. And I have my blow dryer here in the kind of longer space, and I have my my flat iron there as well, because it all fits in this big groove. And then over on this side, it's got the dividers for like your silverware. So I have my rock and roll iron here, my bigger curling iron here. I have a smaller wand here, and then my brush thing here, and I need to clean that out. But that's going to go in here right next to this little cabinet. So that fits and that feels much better, and I still have this whole right side now. I'll probably end up putting more of my makeup and nail stuff in here. That's my my organizing under my cabinet. I will have to come back and do something with the wood. I mean, it's just old, and I will have to maybe paint it or put some liner there. It would look so much better. So that's my video today. I'm getting some decluttering done, just trying to do little pockets here and there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Take care. I will see you next time. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire?